Good evening and welcome to Biology Prep. My name is Eric Nuss. I currently teach biology and AP Environmental Science. I've been teaching here at Lyons Township High School since 1997. My degree is in biology from the University of Illinois, and I also have a Master's of Education from Cambridge College in Boston. This curriculum that we are teaching is an NGSS standards storylining curriculum, which is a little bit different than teaching straight out of a textbook. It's more student driven, where students are given data, they're given background information, and they are going to come up with conclusions. They are going to be critically thinking and answering questions that they come up with. And so the focus is more on logic and reasoning than simple rote memorization. Grading this year at Lyons Township is a little bit different. The grades are 100% summative, meaning tests. The formative assessments, the practice that we do day in and day out in class, while it's important, the students are expected to do it and the teachers grade it and give them feedback. Those are not going to be factored into their grade. The grading scale, as you can see, it's 50% is the lowest they can earn. It goes all the way then up to obviously 100%. There's no curbing this year. There's no extra credit. Retakes are allowed on all summative assessments up until the last 2 weeks of the semester, with one caveat in that the retake score is the final score. So even if it's lower, that is going to be the score entered into the grade book. If your child needs help, they can email me. We have time both before and after school during our remote learning. Hopefully when we come back to a hybrid model, there will be time before and after school as well. Some questions you could ask them while they are, while they're considering seeking help is if they're engaged in class. If they don't feel engaged, is it something they're doing, or is it something about the class that I could do differently? Have they missed any work? And if they did, do they have plans to make it all up? Are they reviewing what we're covering outside of class? And are they staying organized? This year is obviously going to be different, so we're focusing much more on collaboration with students. Instead of having lab groups, we have breakout rooms. We would like the students, while they're in their breakout rooms, to participate, which means their cameras are on, their microphones are on, they're participating with their classmates. Teachers go in and out. I will be going in and out of the breakout rooms to facilitate what they're doing and answering any questions they have. We also have other programs such as Jamboard and Pear Deck to try and break up and make the presentations through Zoom more interesting. We'll also be having simulations and other activities to make up for the lab activities we're missing from not being in-person learning. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to email me and or sign up for parent-teacher conferences when the sign-up is out. Thank you. Good night.